chilling.
Yo, it's your boy Keen. Alright, it's Keen. Who are you?
I'm Keen.
So basically, we're preparing for this
Hurricane
Irene.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. What time is it? Where's my phone at?
Where that phone at, buddy? Use a motherfucking naughty. Chill, bitch. What the fucking fuck? And you know what we be watching. Okay, you're doing nothing. Yeah, I said it. Can you stop it? Like, what the fuck's your deal? A little louder now. A little louder. Did you see Limitless, Keen? I bought it last night.
113, whatever.
Keen, I
Yo.
bought Limitless last night. You wanna watch it?
What is it about?
Before it's not when he takes that pill and he's invincible.
Oh yeah, we gotta see that. Alright, peace, yo. Stay
Over,
safe.
Fucking out.
You know,
over.
Get food.
Out.
Get ready for this flood. There's gonna be high winds. Don't die. And if you do,
Let him.
then it's your time.